So here we have week 4, and this week we're going to learn about methods. Um, Now the thing is, we're not going to call them in Alice. We called them procedures and functions, but here we're just going to call them methods because I think it's a little bit easier to use the word method. It's just like I'm using this method to do something, whether it returns something or not. And if it does return something, then it's going to have the return word here. And I don't think this one is actually going to have a return. So let's get started. So I made the group person. Person has a name, age, a catchphrase, and it's going to have another catchphrase when it has a birthday. Now they are 1 year old. Bob the 1 year old has the catchphrase "wah," and the next catchphrase is going to be the "gimme." But maybe I should have still had "wah" because toddlers cry a lot. In any case, so the thing is, I don't want these to be the values forever. But I also want this group to be easy to use in other programs. I don't want someone to have to be like, okay, I need to change the name and the age and the catchphrase. I want to make it easy. So to do that, I would make a method inside the group. So I would do new method, just like new integer, new string, whatever, same thing, new method. And I'm going to call it birthday because increase age sounds weird, so I'm just going to put birthday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start altering the values that are here. I'm not going to change Bob, but I am going to change their age, and I'm going to change their catchphrase. So let's do that. Now, this is something we're going to have to insist on. When you have uh, a method inside a group, in order for you to get these values properly, you're going to have to use the word this. Okay? And it's going to turn everything orange because of limitations if you're using the highlighter. In fact, I'm going to have to put out a new version because I added a bunch of stuff. Anyway, so if I want to access these values or change these values, I have to use this dot name. That means no matter what person, no matter how many people I created, if I tell this particular person that they need to have their birthday, then this person, their name or their age is the one I'm going to alter. All right? That's basically what this word is trying to say. It's trying to say for this specific person, I need to increase the age, or I need to access the age. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put this dot age equals this dot age plus 1. That means, hey, look, they had a birthday. Shouldn't their age go up 1? Yeah. All right. So that's fine. Next, what else am I going to change? I'm going to change current catchphrase to the next catchphrase. And maybe I'll set something else for the next catchphrase. If I wanted to go really fancy, I'd have more than one birthday, but unfortunately, this is for now, this is as good as we're going to, or complicated as we're going to go. So I'm going to say this dot current catchphrase equals this dot next catchphrase. And I guess what I'll do is I'll say the next catchphrase, maybe. I'll be a little bit creative. Next catchphrase is going to be equal to play with me. Ooh, let's do hide and seek. Play hide and seek. Let's just play hide and seek. All right, so all right, so that's the birthday method. Now, again, I am not returning anything, but when I want to run this in a program, this is what I do. I do my program start, and then I say, okay, new person. Oh wow, I could have put Bob. All right, well, new person, Bob. So, new person, Bob. It automatically creates all of this, just like we were doing before. And then I'm going to run, and I don't even need to put anything fancy. I just put person, or I put Bob dot birthday. and it's almost in every single language that you have to put these parentheses when you're using a method, procedure, function, anything like that. So we're going to use them too. So basically, Bob.birthday means that we will, now Bob is going to be 2 years old. His new catchphrase is going to be gimme. And then the next catchphrase after that is going to be play hide and seek with me. Sorry about my son in the background. He's having a tantrum. All right, now, one more thing that I wanted to do. I wanted to put a print, and I'm going to print the catchphrase. Well, okay, hold on. All right, so I'm printing the catchphrase after I change it. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to print happy birthday. And I'm going to print.
Okay, and then also I'm going to add, where is it? I'm going to add this dot name, because then it'll print out happy birthday person, print exclamation point, and then print the current catchphrase. So actually I'm going to put one more thing, and this, you're not going to know what this is, but this just means I'm making a new line in the print. So it'll spit this out at me and then make a new line and then spit this out. Ooh, I forgot to put this dot current catchphrase. Hello. Bug. It would have crashed. It would have crashed if I'd run it. All right, so that's all there is to that. We'll come up with, I'll be sending the assignment. Well, I'll be making a video explaining the assignment now.